This module is about the overview of digital forensics. Here is the course outline: Introduction to Digital Forensics, Key Concepts and Terminology, Evolution and Importance of Digital Forensics, Types of Digital Evidence. Digital forensics has become increasingly vital in the digital age. From cybercrime investigations to data breach analysis, digital forensics is crucial in uncovering evidence and understanding the digital footprint left behind. Let's begin by understanding digital forensics. Digital forensics is the application of scientific techniques and methodologies to investigate and analyze digital devices and digital data for legal purposes. It involves preserving, identifying, extracting, documenting, and interpreting electronic evidence. To effectively navigate the world of digital forensics, it's essential to grasp some key concepts and familiarize yourself with the associated terminology. One fundamental concept is the low-card exchange principle, which states that materials are transferred whenever two objects come into contact. In digital forensics, this principle is applied to the analysis of digital evidence, where traces of interaction can be discovered. Digital forensics has evolved significantly over the years, adapting to technological advancements and the changing landscape of cyber threats. Initially, digital forensics focused on analyzing computer hard drives. However, as technology progressed, the scope expanded to include mobile devices, cloud storage, network traffic, and Internet of Things devices. Digital forensics has become increasingly crucial today due to its wide-ranging applications and importance in solving cyber crimes and investigating digital incidents. Digital evidence comes in various forms and can provide valuable insights into a case. Some common types of digital evidence include emails, chat logs, social media posts, photos, videos, web browsing history, system logs, and metadata. Each type can contribute to the investigation and help reconstruct digital events. Understanding the fundamentals of digital forensics, key concepts, the evolution, and the type of digital evidence is crucial to delve further into this fascinating field. In the next module, we will explore the process of digital forensics and the techniques used to extract and analyze digital evidence.